How would you know? You know what that's like?
That's a giant bee.
Ah! Okay.
There's a bee in the tree.
I don't like bees.
Look, you see the bees.
Let her be in the tree.
Oh. I thought you meant the bees.
Oh, I didn't mean the bee.
Okay, there's also two.
Look at it, physical. Oh, would you stop with that song? I don't like that song.
Come on,
Change it to
Amanda.
another one. Shake, shake, shake. That just reminded me of Mikey. Amanda, Amanda.
No, we did it in walking over here.
I'm sorry.